Okay, so to get started, you need to just go to your Google and then just type in Namecheap. Okay, so Namecheap is a hosting company that provide you with different varieties of services. Okay, so of course on Namecheap you need to be identified as someone who is real, so they want to know who is actually using the services. So you need to first of all sign up on the Namecheap. So yeah, I already have an account, so I won't need to do all of this stuff, but then you just need to sign up, put in your password. The process is quite direct and simple. The next thing you want to do after you are done signing up, a confirmation email will be sent to your mail, so make sure you use an active email address. And then after that, you want to log in to your Namecheap account. And then it is worthy of note that Namecheap actually charge you in dollar. So depending on your need, you just want to be sure of your need before you get into the process. Okay, so what you want to do is to search. These are the services here. We have domain, we have hosting, and all of the likes. I want to try to explain a lot of all of these services here. I won't really explain them because we only need this space, okay, for this particular class. There are other things that you might want to explore as you grow in. Now you want to be sure that the domain name you want is available. First of all, you want to search for your domain name. So for me, I'm going to search for Dominant. Of course, let's search for Dominant, which I've registered some time ago, just to show you something. Okay, you will find out that Dominant is actually unavailable because I've registered this. These are official website. Okay, you could see Dominant has been taken. You could see something like here taken, so which means you can't use that name. So whenever a client comes to you and they want to register a website, before you even start charging them, you just want to have an idea of the kind of business, the kind of thing they want to do, and that determines the kind of website you use for them, the kind of domain name you use for them, right? All right, without wasting much time, let me just go to the main thing I intend to search. So I want to look for Dominant Store, which I actually have checked earlier, just dominantstore.com. Okay, you can see dominantstore.com is available for 10 USD per year, and then from here I can actually make purchase of this name. Okay, so yeah, what I want to do is to be sure first that this name is correct. You have to be very sure that the name is correct, so you need to check it. Okay, so you want to be sure. Once you are sure, you just add it to cart, and then after doing that, you want to proceed to check out your payment. However, before you can pay in dollar, we all know that yes, in Nigeria now, some banks give a lot of issue when you want to pay in dollar. I don't know, whatever country you are watching from, you might need to find a way to pay in dollar, or if your bank directly can pay, your bank app can pay directly, you might want to pay directly in dollar. You will observe that your money has been added here as your card. I mean, the money, the total amount you're supposed to pay has been added up there, and then all I need to do now is just to check out your payment now. So if I just click on checkout now, it's going to take me to a page where I can now finalize my payment, approve it, and then that is it. You might want to deselect auto renewal, because if this is for client and then you put automatic renewal, which means once this thing expires and you have cash on your wallet, it will be automatically used to renew this name. But then one more thing, if you are using this for the first time, you'll be asked to add your payment option. So this is what I do regularly. My payment has been added automatically, so I don't need to be asked again. So if you are making payment for the first time, you might be asked to input your what's it called, your payment option and all of the likes. You might need to input your payment option and then before proceeding to pay. So okay, pay. Oh, all right. So yeah, this is where I will now go for the final approval. So like I said, if you have not used this for the first time, if you are using it for the first time rather, you'll be asked to add your payment. You can see this is my cheaper cash details here. If you are using it for the first time, you will have been asked to input yours here. So I could decide to change it from here. If I click here now, I will change it, but I don't want to do that. I'll just go on proceed to payment. So I'm just going to pay now. After you click on pay now, if you have a sufficient money in your wallet, payment will be made, and that is it. Okay, you can see thank you for your purchase. We successfully pay for the domain name. We are going back to Namecheap home now, because to see. So under home, if you click on your profile at the top corner, you see dashboard. If you click on dashboard, you are going to see list of your domain list, and then you could see dominant store. This is the recent one I just paid for now. You could see dominant store .com. You could see dominant.com, which is one I told you we've registered before. You could see dominantstore.com now, and other sites that I've worked on recently, or maybe at some point.